Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Barber Master. Guys, in this video you will find some best barber compilation, and in this video you will find some most beautiful and satisfying ASMR haircut transformation for black guy. So don't skip this video, just watch this video and enjoy. All of these crispiest haircut transformation by the most talented barber around the world, and I will mention all of this barber in my description box. So if you really want to visit that barber, I think you have to visit at least once in your life, and I hope you will get the better result from these barber. Wow, what a beautiful transformation that was. All of a popular haircut among the black guys like tapper fade, mid fade, drop fade, skin fade, low tapper, and all of famous haircut among the black guys are included in this compilation. So no matter what type of hair you have, no matter what type of haircut you want, I think Barber Mastros is the right place to choose some perfect haircut according your face shape, according your hair type. So you have to subscribe our channel, turn the post notification, and always get some latest update to according your hair type and face shape. And you can also got some perfect barber if luckily you are near this barber. So that's why you have to watch our videos. You have to subscribe and you have to just watch every new upload. This is gonna be a most beautiful and flawless haircut transformation of the day. Guys, don't forget to comment your favorite haircut of the day. Wow, that was literally sharpest data transformation I have ever seen on internet. The way these barbers are delivering the haircut is very respectful way, and I really appreciate that barber because they are they got some insane skills, and yes, they are actually trendsetter. The way they are making this tutorial, the way they are doing step by step haircut is, I think it's very convenient to get some ideas for barber, those who are doing job, like they are doing some struggling in this field. They can get some best ideas to how to deliver a professional haircut. And I think this is the best thing for beginners. I think those who want to see his career as a barber, I think they should watch these type of haircut transformation on a daily basis. They will learn lots of things from these haircut transformation. Wow, that was flawless transformation. That was literally flawless transformation. Guys, I think this is gonna be our last haircut transformation. I hope you had enjoyed all of this crispiest haircut inspired by the most talented barber around the world. And this is gonna be our last but not least, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and the post notification to get update for every upcoming upload.